Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. I wanted to share the Japanese face wash that I have been using for a few days now. This face wash brightens dull skin and cleanses very gently without stripping the skin of its natural oils. It is loaded with antioxidants, and the best part about this face wash is it only requires three ingredients. The first ingredient we need is oats. I have used quick cooking oats, but you can use old fashioned oats too. Just make sure to grind very finely. Oats is an amazing cleanser. The second ingredient we need is coconut milk powder. We get coconut milk powder easily in the markets. If you don't want to buy it, you can also make it easily at home. After extracting coconut milk for cooking, don't discard the leftover coconut pulp. Spread it on a plate and sun dry in semi shade till there is no moisture left. Powder in a dry mixer, sieve and use. The final main ingredient we need is matcha green tea. Matcha and green tea come from the same plant, but they process differently. Green tea is dried leaves, and matcha is finely ground up leaves. Matcha contains 10 times more antioxidants than green tea. One of the important things we should do to prevent skin aging is to use and consume products rich in antioxidants like matcha green tea. For the face wash, take oats in a mortar and pestle and grind as finely as you can. You can also grind in a dry mixer too. Once ground, sieve to get fine powder. For quarter cup of ground oats, add in 1.5 tablespoons of matcha green tea. Add in the same amount of coconut milk powder. Mix well. This powder will last well for weeks together at room temperature if you store it away from moisture. All the three ingredients used in this face wash are very gentle on the skin and can be used by everyone, even people with very sensitive skin. To use, mix the required amount of powder and water and massage it all over the face and neck gently for a few seconds and then wash it off. Just a week of regular use left my skin radiant and smooth. Give this face wash a try without fail. Any skincare treatment works best if paired with consuming nutrient rich foods. You will get the best results if you consume matcha latte along with using the face wash. This matcha latte is loaded with antioxidants. For the latte, take a teaspoon of matcha green tea powder in a cup. Add in hot water. Don't add boiling water. The latte will turn bitter. Wait for the water to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes and then add. Whisk well. Traditionally, a bamboo whisk is used to mix. Once mixed well, add in milk of your choice. Finally, sweeten with honey. Consume this matcha latte at least weekly twice to get an antioxidant boost.